Welcome back. Today I'm going to show how to allow everyone to send you message requests on Instagram using the PC app, especially with the latest update. If you've noticed some changes in the interface, don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings we need. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the bottom left corner. You'll see three horizontal lines. This is the menu icon. Click on those three lines to open up more options. From there, find and click on Settings. This is where Instagram keeps all your account and privacy controls. After opening Settings, look for the section called Messages and Story Replies. Go ahead and click into that. Now you'll see different messaging options. What we're looking for here is Message Controls. Click on it to open the detailed settings for who can contact you. Inside Message Controls, you'll find a section labeled Who Can Send You Message Requests. This is the key part. By default, Instagram might limit who can message you, but if you want to allow everyone, simply select the option that says Everyone. Once you choose Everyone, your settings will update automatically.